Welcome to your GrainVue tutorial on automatic fan mode. Let's press the fan control button. This displays the current fan mode you are in. To change mode, press this button. You are in remote control by default. Let's change it to automatic and press the change mode. At this point, nothing has been sent to the controller. We have some settings to set. Automatic doesn't use any settings from the settings section to operate the controller. This is a manual entry by you. If you would like the system to automatically change settings, please watch the Smart Mode videos. You can see here we are in automatic fan mode. The change mode button is disabled since we haven't changed anything to the controller yet. In this area, we'll set the minimum and maximum EMCs we want the fans to run between. This controller is set for corn, and we can scroll down and see that here. If you need to change the commodity, please visit the settings video to see how. Let's scroll back up and we'll see here the target is set to 15%. Please view the settings video on where and how to set that. You can set the min EMC and the max EMC however you like. I will set the min EMC to 12. We need to set it well below the target. For max, we will set that to 17. We need some runtime on the wetter side of the target moisture to help prevent overdrying. Let's explain what some of these indicators are. This is the commodity moisture. This yellow circle indicates the lowest EMC the system will use to operate the fans. This blue circle indicates the highest EMC the system will use to operate the fans. Shown here is the target moisture. In this section, you'll set the air temperature settings. The lowest the system will use is currently 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 Celsius. The highest the system will use is 122 Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. We'll leave the min temperature alone and change the max temperature to 90. You can always set any of these settings however you like. Please be aware that setting these too narrow will make your controller not run as much. Let's explain what some of these indicators are. This yellow circle indicates the lowest air temperature the system will use to operate the fans, and the blue circle indicates the highest air temperature the system will use to operate the fans. Displayed here is the average grain temperature, and this is the target temperature. This setting here can only be changed by technical support. By default, it is set to 2.7 Fahrenheit or 1.5 Celsius. This number represents the expected rise in airflow temperature due to the fan warming effect. Once you save the changes, you'll be able to see the corrected EMC and the corrected air temperature. After you've made the changes you want, press save. The system will pop up an alert. Please pause the video now to read the alert. Press turn on to complete the change. You'll see the changes were successfully sent. In this section, the website displays the corrected EMC and the corrected outside air temperatures. These will indicate why the controller is or is not running the fans. Both need to be in range for the controller to activate the fans automatically. The Fan Control Basics video explains this section in greater detail. If you need to make edits in the future, press the Edit button. Make your changes, and press Save. And press Turn On. This concludes your automatic fan mode tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to email or call us. Thank you.